Okay, so you start off with f of g of x, which equals 3 over 5 times 5 over 3 x. You cancel these out, and you're left with an x. Then you start off with g of f of x, and that is 5 over 3 times 3 over 5 x. You cancel those out again, and you're left with just an x. And since you're left with just an x, you know they're inverses of each other, so you write yes, they're inverses of each other. Now for this c, you do f of g of x, which equals 3 minus 4 times 3 minus x over 4, which equals 3 minus 12 plus 4x over 4. And you want to make this you want to make a common denominator, so you can extend that, and it was 3 over 1, so you times it by 4, so you times this 3 by 4 again, so you get 12, and then you can cancel these two numbers out because it's a positive and a negative of the same number, and you're left with 4x over 4. These two cross out, and you're left with just x. Now, for g of f of x, you have 3 minus 4x over 4, which equals, you're going to distribute this negative, so then it's 3 minus 3 plus 4x over 4. Again, you can cross out these two because they're the same number, a positive and a negative, and you're left with 4x over 4, and you cross them out, and you're left with an x. And since they're both x's, you know they're inverses of each other, so you write yes, they're inverses of each other.